Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my speech about the topic Wheel of Fortune May 20, 2026 contestants. Let me introduce the contestant number 1, Jason. Full name is Jason Yertisek. He is living in Centereach, which is located in New York. He is native to Brooklyn, which is located in New York. He is a married man. He got married in the year 2018. His wife name is Katy Yertisek. Let me introduce the contestant number 2, Sheila. Full name is Sheila J. Faura. She is living in Niagara Falls, which is located in New York. She is working as a TRX certified trainer for more than 8 years. She studied in Community College of Philadelphia. She is interested in weightlifting. All the best to the contestants for earning more cash prize from Wheel of Fortune game show.